Alright guys, let's go back here. Oh, whoa, old Wrangler. Hey, anybody want to guess what year this Wrangler is? Whoa, look at the rust. That is some serious rust. This is up north? Oh, what are they doing back? Whoa! Alright guys, we're gonna go to the rear. It's a stick too. Look at the oil pan rusted, the shocks, the springs. Look at that. Oh, this truck been sitting a while. Let's go see what he's doing back here in the rear. Uh-oh. Are we putting springs on it because of the rustiness? Whoa! Let's get new shocks. This might be one of those recall thingies, guys. Look at this. Whoa, I don't know if this is a recall or not, or they just want it done. Stabilizing. I bet you have to let this soak with some rust penetration for a long period of time. I hope you saw these brakes about wore out. Look how rusty looking that caliper look. It still could work, but be looking rusty looking. Just imagine, guys, you got to take this clamp off. Look at that. Did they even make a tube for that? That's, ooh. Oh, let me leave that alone for I. Look, where's the head of the nut that used to be? Whoa, y'all see that? How would you even take that off? These companies need to account for future roughness when they build this stuff. Steel bolts should not be deteriorating, just leaving, just vanishing like that. How would you set, what is this, camera, caster, toe? I mean, if you have to loosen that bolt and adjust, make an adjustment. Whoa! Alright guys, this is, oh, we got new brake lines. This might be some kind of recall. Safety. Some of the recalls we have to do, guys, Chrysler's smart by issuing safety recalls on such, because if something happens, you talk about a potential lawsuit. But look, let's go underbody. Whoa! Manual transmission, which means it's a stick. You see this rust back here? You see all the rust back there? Oh, you wrote this up? Golly!
It's just from New England.
This was like a recall. We got to do it. One of those Chrysler recall things.
Fuck no, man.
Oh.
For new shocks and springs.
Oh, I thought because some of our cars they make us do it on a recall. Look. Oh. Okay, so I guess he headed to the alignment machine. Yeah, all this is new. Guys, this is a funky way to align these cars. Woo. I'd be afraid to drive it. Yeah, he used, I'm gonna show y'all what he used, his secret. Show y'all my man's secret to success. It's not Mopar rust penetration, it's this. He said, he swear by this stuff. PB Blaster, powerful rust penetrating catalyst. Brakes loose faster. All right, so he swear by this, and this one is empty. So which means he had everything under here soaked. Okay, I had just about enough rust for him, guys. Let me get out of here. But whoa, look at the, whoa. Dude, man, you out. Hey, you gonna need another one of these. Alright guys, I gotta go. This car's from out of state and I don't want to show his license plate, but this is the secret. Alright, so let me get out of here. Y'all can see this is a Gen 3, right? Well, let me tell y'all, let me show y'all something. This car was in an accident, right? He done spent almost a half a day looking for some weird body electrical problem. So he got just about, he had the whole inside out, so I guess he putting it back together, they declined. Now, when he got to, he's searching for why the BCM not talking to such and such and such. Guys, don't get it twisted. this type of work is tedious. This is one of those jobs where you need flag time, where you know what I'm saying, you need like diagnostic time, like you punch in and you don't punch out until you're done or found the problem. Okay, straight time or whatever they call it. But he got down to this part right here. My man said he found, let me see if I can get y'all yeah, it's wet right in here, guys. Cool it. Okay. Ooh. What is all of this? Oh my goodness. So we got a problem with coolant migration. Y'all remember that terminology? Hey, explain this to me, Chaz. What happened here? Is this all coolant?
Yeah, it's all coolant. Somehow coolant got in there when they got into the accident.
Holy crap. So you can't repair this. You need a whole body harness.
Yeah, because it shorted the harness and then it's ended up shorting down the BCM.
Oh, this little rubbery liquid down here is coolant?
Yeah, it's all coolant. It's all
Damn.
stuff right here.
Yeah.
Like at first,
I see something right here.
It's all over this. At first, you know.
Oh, let me see this.
I thought it was blood because it's red.
Oh, you pull this off and this led. Yeah, this led you to.
I got some contamination. It's like I'm about to die.
You should.
So if you look at it at the BCM itself, I mean it's coolant sprayed all over it, all over the BCM.
So what's the fix? What are you recommending?
BCM harness and dash.
Oh.
Dash harness.
Oh, that just turned it into an insurance job.
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay. So I guarantee they're gonna send an adjuster out here to see all of this.
Yeah, it goes. Oh, that's great. I mean, I took the picture of it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Whew. Oh man, you can have it.
Because none of the exterior lights are working. And
Oh, that's the outcome. None of the lights.
yeah,
You had codes in the BCM?
Lin 3 bus.
Oh. So something was shutting the whole lens down.
Yeah. Look. Oh, that's coolant.
Oh man.
Somehow coolant got sprayed all over there.
Holy crap. But where it come from? That's what's
I don't know.
dude, coolant source, what? In a heater core? It's a heater core in here.
Yeah.
Other than that, I mean, the last coolant migration problem I had, I had my PCM connector had coolant in it, and I traced it all the way down to the coolant temp sensor. It had, when I pulled the connector off it, so that sensor, they say, pushing electrons pushes that coolant all the way up through the wire harness and into the computer.
It happened bad with PT Cruisers. Were
Oh yeah, they were. Well, oil. Yeah, the oil. Yep. That shit would push that stuff.
The older engine, the coolant would run down the harness and go to the fan and blow it, start burning shit up.
Oh, we had a recall on that.
Yeah.
Yep, they just turned it into an insurance job. Best believe that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see what happens.